baby. You know I love you. Don't ever forget that. Baby, I'm crazy for you, don't ever forget that. Been talking for more than a year now, and man, I don't regret that. We met in OC, Maryland, talked for a year straight, and all the time you were there for me, girl, I do appreciate. Baby, you're the best, mark the world's finest, put you up on my throne, you could be my highness. Girl, I really love you, I really hope you know it, but just in case you don't, I wrote the song to show it. But let me keep rhyming so I can put my time in to get my paper up and get you this diamond and put it on your finger to make you my wife. Girl, you my one and only, and I can say it twice. Girl, you my one and only, and I can say it twice. Now the time goes on and the days go by, I found myself a woman and you got yourself a guy. It never even mattered, cause we stay fly. Promise to keep in touch till the day we die. Your man was a dick and I knew it from the start, and I was always there for you cause you was always in my heart. And now that he's gone and I'm in the picture, living in Philly gets hard, cause girl, I really miss you. Living in Philly gets hard, cause girl, I really miss you. But don't worry about that, I'll be back in a minute, cause cuddle up to you, to chill, to kick it. You with it, I'm with it, we with it, let's get it. Baby, you my love, don't ever forget it. My heart beats for you, no cash, no credit, cause people don't get it, but baby we do. And I hope you really like this cause I wrote it just for you. Yeah baby, just for you, exclusive.